With just 1 lakh rupees as your investment, you can purchase stocks worth 5 lakh rupees. Your investment is just 20%. Remaining 80% is provided by broker platform. You get a chance to earn 5 times profit on your investment. There are no conditions that you should sell in one day. You can hold them for weeks, months, years, no problem. For every 1 lakh rupee that you avail, you should pay 40 rupees per day as interest. What are the conditions? Will they provide 80% capital on all listed stocks? To know more, watch this video completely. Hi, hello, welcome to Stock Market Super Series video number 3. I am Abhishek Ramappa. In this video, we are going to discuss in detail about MTF. MTF means Margin Trading Facility. It is the loan given to continue a trade when you don't have enough capital. In this video, we are going to discuss what is MTF, how does it work, practical calculation of the trade, the list of stocks you should choose from, and also the interest rate, finally, holding period. We'll discuss all of this in this video. Let's get started. MTF, Margin Trading Facility. You have been following a company whose current market price is 200 rupees. It has come down to 200 rupees. This is a nominal price. It is a profitable stock. You want to purchase it. The capital you have got is just 4,000 rupees. With this, you can buy only 20 shares of cost 200 rupees per share. Your target is to buy 100 shares so that you get wonderful quick profit. But you need another 16,000 rupees extra. The target price is 20,000 rupees. With only 4,000 rupees in hand, you can buy 100 shares. The brokering platform will provide you the amount to buy extra 80 shares, which amounts to 16,000 rupees. So they will give you extra 16,000 rupees, which adds to your 4,000 rupees. So you can continue with the trade amounting 20,000 rupees. For this extra 16,000 rupees that you have taken from the broker platform, you will be paying 0.04% per day. For this amount, you will be paying 0.04% rate of interest. For example, if you have taken 1 lakh, you will be paying 40 rupees under this interest rate. This rate of interest varies from platform to platform. And what is this 5x of leverage? This is very important because there will be a list from which you choose the stock, and every stock has got its leverage factor. There are some A category stocks. For that, leverage factor would be 5x. There are some another category, say B, whose leverage factor is 3x. There is some category C whose leverage factor is 2x. So what does this leverage factor explain to you? You have got 4,000 rupees and you have selected a share or a stock whose leverage factor is 5x, so that you can execute a trade 5 times of the margin money you have got. 4 5s are 20. So this is the maximum amount you can get. So to reach this amount, you need extra 16,000 that will be given by the platform. Say Zerodha, Angel One, Grow, Kotak Securities, M Stock, all these platforms are giving this MTF facility. We'll try to understand this in depth with another example. The same case, you have got 5,000 rupees in hand, you have got an opportunity where a stock is trading at 100 rupees. The money you have got is worth to buy only 50 shares, but your target is to buy 250 shares. You need extra 20,000 rupees. Since the leverage factor of this stock is 5x, you can trade up to 25k. You can execute a trade of up to 25,000 rupees. So with just 5,000 rupees in hand, you can buy 250 number of shares. You get 20k as loan. MTF, Margin Trading Facility. For this, you will be paying 0.04% per day as rate of interest. So this is how MTF works. So we'll move on. Can I buy any share with this facility? I have got 2 lakh rupees. I want to execute a trade of 10 lakh rupees worth. I need 8 lakh rupees extra. Any stock. Can I get this facility? No. There is one approved list of that broker platform. There will be a approved list of that broker platform where stock name would be given and also leverage factor would be given. For example, A stock. The leverage factor is 5x, 3x, 2x. They'll give like this. Okay? So you can execute up to 5 times of the margin money you have got. Execute up to 3 times of the margin money you have got. This is how leverage factor works. And also in some of the websites, they will be giving you the leverage factor in percentage. Say 20%, 50%, 80%. So likewise, they might give you stock name and also coinciding leverage factor. By that list, you should choose any of the stock and continue with the trade. So how to get to know the approved list? I'll show it practically through screen record. Go to your browser and type Zerodha approved list MTF. This is just for educational purposes. It's not any promotion. Click on approved list of securities that can be pledged. You get to see number of companies listed. See, Aadhar HFC, ABB, Abort India. Look at this, Abort India. 5x is the leverage and 20% is the margin, which says 20% should be dedicated by you. You should contribute 20 rupees. Remaining 80 rupees will be given by this platform, okay, this broker platform. Let's try searching Adani. Look at this. For Adani Green, leverage is 1x. They're not giving anything. 100% should be given by you. Adani Power, 2.62x. You should arrange 38% and the platform will provide you 62%. So this is how you get to see what is the approved list of securities that is eligible to avail MTF if you are trading on Zerodha. You might be thinking, yes, this is a wonderful opportunity because 80% of the capital will be given by broker platform. So I'll be making profit on total 100% of the money, out of which only 20% is mine. And for the overall trade that I have executed and the profit I have earned, on that I'll be paying just 0.04%. So for the 80% money, I'll be paying 0.04% per day. It's good, but it's not that plain. Leveraging is a double-edged sword. It's not that easy because the profit you are gaining is on the leveraged money. Say 5x. You have got 1 lakh, you have invested 5 lakh, you are getting profit on 5 lakh rupees. But what if the opposite happens? What if you incur loss? You will be incurring loss on 5 lakh rupees. Your investment is just 1 lakh rupees. Don't just think about profit and continue. You have to think about the other side of the coin too. That is the losses. So double-edged sword, be wary. In the next slide, we are going to discuss about the interest rate provided by some of the platforms, some of the broker platforms. See, in Kotak Securities, per day interest is 0.026%. But annually, if you calculate this, 0.026 into 365 days, you will be paying 9.75%. Okay? SBI 0.04%, Zerodha 0.04%, which amounts to 14.6% annually. M stock 0.027%, which amounts to 9.99% annually. Grow 0.043%, which amounts to 15.69% annually. And Angel One 0.041% and annually 14.96%. So this is the interest rate available in the present market. There are many broker platforms who are providing these kind of margin trading facility for trading. Lastly, we should understand, is it better? Is it wise to take this decision to invest under MTF, margin trading facility? See, leverage, definitely. If you are taking money, you are borrowing money from your brother or sister or any family member, you're not paying any interest, then leveraging is good. You're taking money for the shorter period, say 15 days or 1 month, you are returning it back. Whatever the stock you were observing, the trade went well, you got say 10% profit. Not a problem, because you're not paying any interest on this amount. But taking loan, that too of 14%, 15% interest rate annually, this is not advisable. We always say to invest, don't take loan. And also, if you consider personal loan, on personal loan we'll be paying this much of interest rate, say 14%, 16%, 18%. Taking that sort of a loan to invest, and if there is some problem, if there is a loss occurring situation because of the volatility that kicked in, how would you escape from that situation? How would you bring extra money to balance those losses? So this is the main reason we keep telling, without due experience and confidence, don't enter stock market investment or short-term trading. So with this, you got to know what is MTF and also the challenges regarding MTF. Also, if used properly, the profit gaining ability under MTF. You got to know everything. If you think you have found some value out of this video, please like and comment your opinion. Forward this video link to anyone who's in need of this information. And also, please subscribe to our channel and click that bell icon so that you get notified when there is another educative video which is released on our channel. All the best.